Hello, future YouTube stars. Welcome back to 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and creative ways to earn online, building a YouTube channel. Whether you're passionate about tech, cooking, gaming, or even cute cat compilations, ChatGPT is about to become your ultimate content creation sidekick. Let's turn your YouTube dreams into a money-making reality. Let's face it, YouTube is a powerhouse for creators. But building a channel can feel overwhelming with all the scripting, planning, and editing. That's where ChatGPT steps in, turning your ideas into professional-level content, saving you time, and keeping the process fun. Find your channel's niche. Picking your niche is step one, and ChatGPT makes it a breeze. 1. Ask ChatGPT for trending YouTube niches like tech reviews, DIY crafts, or personal finance. 2. Unsure what fits you? 2. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas based on your interests and expertise. Plan your content strategy. Consistency is key on YouTube, and a good content plan is your secret weapon. 1. Ask ChatGPT to create a 30-day content calendar with video ideas for your niche. 2. Plan series like tutorials, challenges, or reviews to keep your audience hooked. Write killer video scripts. Say goodbye to writer's block. ChatGPT can craft your scripts with ease. 1. Ask it to write an intro, outro, or even the full script for your videos. 2. Use it to refine your voiceover or on-camera dialogue. Optimize for YouTube SEO. YouTube is a search engine, and SEO helps your videos get discovered. ChatGPT can 1. Suggest attention-grabbing video titles and descriptions. 2. Generate tags to boost your video's visibility. Engage with your audience. Building a community is as important as creating content. Use ChatGPT to 1. Reply to comments with personalized responses. 2. Brainstorm community engagement ideas like polls or Q&A sessions. Monetize your channel. Once you've built an audience, here's how to turn views into dollars. 1. Ad revenue. Sign up for the YouTube Partner Program to earn from ads. 2. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for paid promotions. 3. Merchandise and courses. Sell your products or teach a skill through your channel. Keep up the momentum. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and keep improving. 1. Use ChatGPT to analyze your video performance and brainstorm ways to improve. 2. Experiment with new content styles or formats. And remember, YouTube is a journey. Enjoy the ride. Building a YouTube channel is one of the most fulfilling ways to earn with ChatGPT. You get to share your passion, connect with a global audience, and build a business that grows with you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's your dream YouTube channel idea? Stay tuned for the next episode of 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until then, happy creating and happy earning.